Brake rotors ensure reliable stopping power, improve heat dissipation, reduce brake fade, and enhance driving safety, control, and overall braking performance. Today's video is about top 5 best brake rotors for enhanced braking that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at PowerStop Evolution Front Brake Rotors. The drilled and slotted front brake rotor set is a smart upgrade for drivers seeking improved braking performance, durability, and a sporty appearance. Designed as a direct bolt-on replacement, these silver zinc-plated rotors enhance heat dissipation, helping reduce brake fade during heavy braking and demanding driving conditions. The drilled and slotted design also improves airflow while sweeping away dust, gas, and debris to maintain consistent stopping power and keep your wheels cleaner. A durable silver zinc dichromate coating provides excellent resistance to rust and corrosion, extending the life of the rotors in all weather conditions. Before purchasing, be sure to confirm your vehicle's compatibility using the fitment tool or product description to ensure a perfect match. Backed by a 12-month or 12,000-mile limited warranty, this rotor set offers confidence and long-lasting value. Whether you're replacing worn factory rotors or upgrading your braking system, these performance rotors deliver reliable stopping power, improved cooling, and an aggressive look that enhances both safety and style. Now our second product is Bendix Premium Rear Brake Rotor. The Bendix Premium Brake Rotors are an excellent OE replacement for Ford F-150 models from 2012 to 2018, delivering dependable braking performance and long-lasting durability. Engineered to meet original equipment specifications, these rotors provide a precise fit, making installation straightforward while maintaining factory-level performance. Their advanced design ensures efficient heat dissipation, helping prevent brake fade during heavy towing, highway driving, or frequent stop-and-go traffic. This improved cooling enhances braking consistency and extends rotor life. Bendix also focuses on driving comfort by minimizing noise and vibration, resulting in smoother, quieter braking with every stop. Whether you're replacing worn factory rotors or restoring your truck's braking system, these premium rotors offer reliable stopping power and consistent performance in a variety of driving conditions. Built with quality materials and trusted engineering, the Bendix Premium Rotors are a practical upgrade for F-150 owners who value safety, durability, and confident braking. They provide the performance and reliability needed for everyday commuting, work duties, and long-distance travel. Our third product is Motorevo Lug Rear Brake Rotor. This rear brake kit is a premium upgrade for 2012 to 2018 6-lug vehicles with a manual parking brake and is not compatible with 7-lug or electric parking brake models. The complete package includes 2 rear drilled and slotted brake rotors for high-performance brake pads, and all necessary installation hardware for a convenient replacement. Built from durable USG 3000 high-carbon alloy and heat-treated for exceptional strength, the rotors are designed to last over 50,000 miles, offering greater wear resistance and protection against cracking and warping. Advanced vented, drilled, and slotted technology dissipates heat up to 3 times faster than standard solid rotors, reducing brake fade and delivering confident stopping power during heavy braking or downhill driving. Geomet-coated rotors provide outstanding rust and corrosion resistance, even in harsh weather, while precision-engineered brake pads with shimmed backing minimize vibration and squealing for a quieter, smoother ride. Certified to exceed OEM standards, this brake kit combines durability, reliable performance, and long-lasting protection, making it an excellent choice for drivers seeking enhanced braking safety and everyday driving confidence. Now number 4, Dynamic Friction Company Front-Coated Rotor. The Dynamic Friction Company Geospec Front Brake Rotor is a dependable OE-style replacement designed to restore strong, consistent braking performance. Manufactured from premium G3000/G11H18 iron casting, this rotor offers outstanding strength, durability, and resistance to wear, making it ideal for daily driving in demanding road conditions. Its mill-balanced design minimizes vibration, providing smoother braking, improved pedal feel, and enhanced driving comfort. Engineered with advanced manufacturing standards, the rotor delivers reliable stopping power while helping maintain overall vehicle safety. Installation is simple thanks to its direct fit design, which matches OEM specifications and requires no modifications. The rotor is backed by a 1-year manufacturer warranty, offering added confidence in its quality and performance. Compatible with 2016 to 2018 Audi A6, 2012 to 2016 Audi A8, and 2013 to 2018 Audi S6, S7, and S8 models, it's important to verify fitment before purchase. Whether you're replacing a worn factory rotor or performing routine brake maintenance, this Geospec brake rotor provides smooth, quiet operation, dependable braking, and long-lasting durability for a safer and more comfortable driving experience. And our last choice is R1 Concepts brake rotors. The R1 Concepts Celine front and rear brake rotor kit is an excellent replacement option for the 1998 Mitsubishi Galant, delivering dependable braking performance and OEM quality fitment. This complete kit includes 10.5-inch front rotors and 11.0-inch rear brake components, making it a convenient solution for restoring your vehicle's braking system. Manufactured from premium G3000 grade iron, the rotors offer exceptional strength, durability, and resistance to wear for long-lasting performance. Their precision mill-balanced construction helps eliminate vibration, ensuring smooth, stable braking and improved driving comfort. Engineered with advanced manufacturing technology, these brake rotors provide consistent stopping power to enhance vehicle safety in everyday driving conditions. Designed as direct OEM replacements, they install without modifications, making them suitable for both professional mechanics and experienced DIY installers. The kit is also backed by a 1-year manufacturer warranty, providing added confidence in its quality. If you're looking to replace worn brake components with a reliable, high-performance solution, the R1 Concept Celine kit delivers smooth braking, durability, and dependable performance to keep your 1998 Mitsubishi Galant driving safely and confidently. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.